it's kung babalik sa normal yung buhay ng mga taga-QJC, pag umalis kayo dyan, pati yung mga pulis natin, babalik rin sa normal yung buhay nila.
Huwag kayo pa.
And we are not preventing you from striking back. Kung meron kayong mabigat na informasyon na nandyan talaga si Pastor,
Huwag kayo magpadala-dala pulis.
pasukin nyo, arestuhin nyo. Pero continuously staying there is detrimental to both of the parties, QJC at saka kayo, police. Detrimental to both sides yan. I am appealing to you in the name of humanity. Please be human enough to consider all these things.
Huwag kayo papayag, General Torre, na sa iyo ang batas.
Please be human enough.
Mahawa kayo.
I cannot give you a direct order, although gustong-gusto ko talaga sabihan kayo na umalis na kayo dyan, but I cannot give you a direct order, otherwise it will be a legislative overreach.
Correct. Malaan mo man pala.
I'm not part of your
Pala.
chain of command. Hindi ko kayo pwede orderan dyan.
Alam mo naman pala.
But as part of our oversight function over you, we have all the reason in this world to give you our advice, our recommendation, how to do things properly in the name of humanity.
I'm sure, humanity ka dyan. Humanity ka utot mo.
Magiging normal ang buhay nila, magiging normal ang buhay ninyo kung babalik kayo. Then kung meron naman kayong informasyon, go ahead. Nobody's stopping you.
Pulis ka.
Pero yung ganyan tuloy-tuloy na lang kayo, I am running out of reasons to explain to the people why are these policemen are still there after how many days continuously occupying because gusto nilang kalkalin lahat ng lugar. Hindi ko in-invalidate yung mga rason ninyo na meron kayo nakikita, meron kayong informasyon, okay, that's part of your job. Pero sa ngayon naman siguro, you cannot justify your existence there inside the compound
Hala.
for how many days na. I know you're pressured by your commanders
Sino nag-pressure?
to arrest Pastor Kibuloy. They will not give you 3,000 people from other police regional offices.
Di
They will not support you with that gargantuan number of troops just to arrest one wanted person
Bobo.
kung walang imprimatur yan galing sa taas. Napipressure kayo. But because of that pressure, napapasubo na kayo, iya na kayo umatras.
Wala na talaga. Wala talaga sa hulog. Sa
I'm giving you the advice.
Bobo talaga.
As early as now, you can make your tactical retreat, however you term that, strategic retreat, you can do that.
Hala.
Pero kung sabihin mo sa akin, General Torre, that you will still continue to stay there, I don't know how to explain your continuous stay in that area.
Wala kang magawa dyan because you cannot
Armed with warrant of arrest.
Pailan mo ng kaso
After 13 days, hindi pa niyo nahuli yung hinahanap ninyo.
Bobo talaga. Grabe.
I am running out of reasons.
Grabe ka.
I am running out of justifications.
Nakakahiya.
I want to help you. I want to help you justify your actions. Dahil mga tao po kayo dati.
Hala.
I'm trying to help you. I am trying to justify your actions, but I'm running out of justifications.
Hayaan mo sila maggagawa ng...
Ayun, sabihin mo, tuloy-tuloy niyo pa.
Oo.
Hmm.
Ay, nako.
I don't know how to deal with this situation. Kung nakikinig sana si President Bongbong Marcos ngayon, I am appealing to you, Mr. President.
Hala.
Please,
Hala.
listen to these people.
Hala.
Mr. President,
Hala.
sana ibalik mo ang buhay nito mga tao na ito to normal. Not only to the QJC members, but also to you policemen.
Hala.
Galing pa ito sa ibang region na ilang araw na dito, walang matinong higaan, walang matinong kain, walang matinong tulog, walang matinong ligo.
Hala.
I am appealing to you, Mr. President.
Kagago.
Please act on this. Huwag ninyo isara yung utak ninyo para mahuli lang si Pastor Kibuloy. You are willing to sacrifice everything.
Tapos na ang karir ni Bato.
That's only an appeal. I hope you are listening.
Andyan pa gani yung gusto niyang sniper ang presidente? Nasiraan na ng ulo.
So again, I'm throwing back to you the question. How long do you intend to stay there?
Until.
Sir, same with the commitment earlier. We won't stop until we arrest Paulo Kibuloy, sir. We believe he is in KOJC compound and we will look for him. If only the KOJC members will cooperate with us, leave us alone what we are doing, we're not hurting them. We're not hurting them. They are the ones impeding us.
Yes.
We want to go into a building, why impede us?
Good job.
Stay away. It's not you that we're targeting.
Correct.
We are looking for Apollo Kibuloy, Crescente Canada, Ingrid Canada, Sylvia Simanes, and Roy. What's the first name? Roy. Jacqueline Roy. Those are the people that we are interested in. We're not interested in Dr. Badoy. We're not interested in Marlon Acobo. We're not interested in Banat Bay. We're not interested in anybody except for the five. Let us look for them
Ay,
Really?
Grabe.
in these areas. They say that these are sacred grounds. We see that, anyway sir, this is really of no point of debating considering that the court order still subsists and it will be a great dereliction of our duty if we will stop and we will not comply with the court order. We have positive information that Mr. Kibuloy is in the compound and you have seen the challenges that we faced in the past 13 days. And of course, I would like also to pasensya na po kayo dahil kung isa lang talaga, there's only one person who can end this all. The Son of God. Claiming to be the Son of God.